Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. The challenges of smoke test automation. Smoke test automation is not without its challenges. It can be more time-consuming and resource-intensive to implement automated smoke testing, especially in smaller teams with fewer engineers at their disposal. Technical requirements. Automated smoke tests require more technical knowledge and skills in coding than manual smoke tests. Software engineers must have the time and knowledge to know how to create automated tests before these can be implemented, and not all teams will necessarily have the resources available to do this. Lack of human insight. Automation testing offers an overall view of the functionality of a software application, and when carrying out an automated smoke test, software testers gain insight into the basic functions of the software, which is the ultimate purpose of a smoke test. However, automated tests do not offer any insight into more subject aspects of software performance, such as usability and accessibility. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.